Hello everyone, good afternoon. Myself Naveen, I am from Bangalore. I stay with my parents and my two younger sisters. From past 7 years, I am working in applied materials, semiconductor domain. In applied materials, I came to know about WILP, which is provided by BITS Pilani. So I opened the website of BITS Pilani and I went through all the brochures. What are the programs available? How it is useful to the professional person? I am working for 5 days. How can I manage the M.Tech program? They have provided all the course details and they have provided all the instructions how a person who is working can do M.Tech without interrupting his work. They have weekend classes and they don't want us also to come to classes. They will be providing online classes and we can also take up the recorded lectures whenever we are free. As I am from a manufacturing background, I wanted to do manufacturing management. My favorite lecturer is PB Venkatramana. When I come to PBV, he is always enthusiastic and he gives real-time examples to explain about the course, about the studies, and he gives real-time sequences. I have done two subjects. I had taken 2 subjects. One is manufacturing planning and control, and currently I am taking decision analysis. He is giving real lectures and he gives real examples and he gives us a experiment to work, or he gives us a game to work and take our own decisions. Apart from online classes, we had virtual lab. I have completed 2 labs. One is for product design and another one is for lean manufacturing. Even for this virtual lab also, BITS Pilani WILP has made us very user friendly. We can access from any places or any locations. The courses which have helped me is, I am working in a semiconductor domain where we produce machines which produce semiconductor chips, where we are never compromise on quality. Semiconductor domain never compromise on quality. That there is a subject which is called Total Quality Management, which is taught by Rajiv Gupta sir. That helped me a lot to implement in my industries, where we never compromise on quality. I would definitely recommend each and everyone to take this BITS Pilani, and I would recommend even other employees of our company to enroll to this course, because the main reason is they are giving work-life balance. They are helping us to do our work without any disturbance, and they are helping us to complete our master degree without any interruption.